Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds from your images as well as videos using the CapCut app. So let's get started. First of all, open up your CapCut application and create any new project, or open up the particular project where you want to remove backgrounds. After opening it up, just drag the video or photo onto the timeline from which you would like to remove the background. After it is on your timeline, just click on it to reveal the properties at the top right corner. Now underneath the video tab, you will directly see the remove BG option. Just click on it and you can use the auto removal option if you have access to the Pro version. When you click on this, it will remove the background automatically. You can add a stroke if you wish by enabling it, and when you download any stroke, it will be applied right away. You can adjust the size and the color of the stroke based on your preference as well. And now you can begin editing your videos with your background removed. If you wish to change the background, you can just drag your preferred background underneath the layer of this video or photo from which you just removed the background. And now you can freely adjust the size and place it wherever you like within the video. This trick can be really handy if you're doing a commentary video, such as gameplay on YouTube. Now, if you don't have access to the Pro feature, you can go to the custom removal option, and from here, you can use the various different brush to highlight the character that you want to keep. Once you have highlighted the character with your brush, you can click on the apply button, and this will remove the background from your picture once again. However, it might not be as perfect as the auto removal feature, and you may need to hide your imperfections using a stroke. And that is how you can remove backgrounds from your pictures and videos using the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.